Isa ang gata sa masasabi nating very distinct na ingredient na madalas gamitin hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi pati na rin sa iba pang Southeast Asian na bansa gaya ng Malaysian, Indonesian, Thai, at syempre Singaporean. At kung ang international na mga flavors na ito ang hanap ng tropa, may panalong spot sa Marikina na na-discover ang food explorer na si Janeena Chan, ang Redwood Hawker Center.
Before na, po ako, nag-work po sa cruise as chef. Nag-isip ako ano pa yung madalas na nasa isip ng Pinoy pag nagta-travel, which is isa doon is Singapore din.
Pero ayan, sobrang excited na ako kasi andito sa harap ko, basically para siyang best of Southeast Asian flavors. I'm so excited na tikman tong lahat. Meron tayong savory, yung mga maaalat na flavors, and meron na tayong mga sweets.
Ang hawker style na pagkain ay pwede Singaporean, Malaysian, Indonesian, and even Thai.
It's Singaporean breakfast, classic kaya toast na may soft-boiled eggs na may soy sauce. Perfect blend of sweet and salty. Nakaka-good vibes. If you love pandan, must try talaga to. Ito ay ang kanilang chicken sauté. Wow, sobrang sarap ng chicken kasi sobrang tender niya. Para sa mga mahihilig sa seafood, meron tayong, this is cereal prawns nila and yung chili crablets. And guys, napakagaling na chef kasi basically binalatan na nila to. Wala na siyang shell, diba? So, kakain na lang tayo. Yan, ang perfect. Para talaga ako nag-travel sa Singapore, guys. Wow! Love it! Ito namang cereal prawns ang tikman natin. So guys, if you can see, meron tayong butter sauce dito at ako, napaka-fan ako ng butter. Talagang iba yung lasa pag mas may butter sauce. Ito naman, perfect blend of sweet and salty and crunchy and buttery. Napakabango. Very good. Sarap nito. Napaka-unique na to, kakaiba, kasi ito ang kanilang tom yum without the sabaw. Diba? May kick of spice talaga siya. So kung mahilig kayo sa mga maanghang, must try. And if you love noodles, kakaibang take, diba? And syempre, hindi mawawala ang laksa. This is their laksa dito. And ang kakaiba dito is Malaysian style siya. And guys, look at the prawns, oh. May budget ang prawns. At may fish cakes din siya. Tagos sa kaluluwa. Wow. Wow, grabe guys. Pag may pinagdadaanan kayo, one bowl of laksa lang ang sagot. Parang pampakalma.
When it comes to the spiciness ng pagkain namin, pwede siyang baguhin or lagyan ng level. Kasi may mga customer din na gusto yung dish, yung taste, then medyo gusto nila konti lang yung anghang.
Ito ang kanilang mahiwagang sendol. Mukhang halo-halo, pero halo-halo rin naman siya. Pero Malaysian twist pala. Kasi ang gamit nila dito ay coconut milk and palm sugar. At may, kung makita niyo yung green dyan, pandan jelly. Okay, sige, tikman na natin. So refreshing. Perfect sa Philippine weather. Perfect, especially pag, ayan, you need a chill refreshment. Ito na siya, guys. O, diba? May bagong paandar. It's not halo-halo. It's sandal. Oh. Maiba lang, diba? Sarap. Winner. Super winner. Especially kung mahilig kayo sa maraming klaseng food na alam mo yun, hindi kayo makapili. Perfect place talaga to. Tikman nyo na lahat, diba? Pili ko perfect siya for barkada, even for family. You know, yung chill date or chill na talagang kakain talaga lang kayo ng masarap. Like, yun yung purpose ng punta nyo. Kakain tayo today. Yan. Dito kayo pumunta. From savory food, dessert, breakfast. Meron pa tayong mga drinks na desserts din. Mabubusog talaga kayo, guys. And you have to come na gutom. Kasi mahirap nang hindi niyo matikman lahat. Gugustuhin yung kumain ng marami pag nandito kayo. Sarap.
Matapos ang enjoy na food tripping ni Janeena sa iba't ibang panig ng Southeast Asia kanina, nagpa siya naman siyang mag-chill muna sa next destination niya. How about some coffee, cakes, and cocktail dito sa Cafe Perene?
So yung concept po ng Cafe Perene dito sa the Redwood place, Marikina, we've incorporated a bar concept. So gusto kasi namin na prepare yung cakes and cocktails. Kasi we believe that cakes are not only for desserts. Bagay din siya with cocktails. It's very unique, but still, syempre, that's why we also offer savory items kasi hindi pa sila familiar with the concept of pairing cakes and cocktails.
So ayan na, may pa-tea time tayo ngayon. And we have their combination of hot teas and syempre ang kanilang signature cakes and sweets. So this is their peppermint tea. Wow, parang Pasko na. Okay, very comforting. Ito naman, this is their Bilachon green tea. O, diba? Bilachon, sosyal. Wow, it's a type of green tea. Very clean lang yung taste niya. And this one, mas unique naman to. This is their pomegranate strawberry tea. Ang bango! So, this is a fruitier tea naman. Ang sarap. Pili ko masarap din to pag iced. Nice. Very, very comforting and yet basta hindi siya boring. Masaya siya. Masayang siya. Okay, now let's move on to the cakes. We have their chocolate cheesecake. Yummy. Very dense. Kaya tagal ko ngayain. Super siksik. Tsaka yung crust niya. It adds the right amount of texture lang. Sarap. So this one naman is their cheesecake na may cookie bits on top. Cream and cookies. Sarap. Ang sarap ng, ano niya, top layer. Kasi talagang matitikman mo yung cookie crumble texture na crunchy. And dito tayo babawi kasi guys, sugar-free to. This is their Guiltless Choco Banana Loaf. And if you guys want na yung cake version, meron din silang whole cake or whole loaf version.
Meron po kaming sugar-free chocolate banana cake and we also have yung guiltless treat namin, our flourless chocolate cake. No added sugar naman po.
Perfect talaga siya paired with hot tea. Wow! Oh my gosh.
And chocolate.
Thank you. Okay. Look at this choco lava cake naman. And it's warm, served warm, 'di ba? Ganyan talaga pag choco lava. Ayan, mainat pa talaga siya. Okay, so let's slice it. Grabe. Wow. Ito yung dessert na pampakalma. We have their lime cake. Now, itong lime cake, talagang kanina ko pa ito gustong tikman kasi out of all the chocolatey flavors, diba, mag-lime naman tayo para refreshing.
It's made of lime curd with cashew nuts. The consistency of the cake is between chiffon and moist cake, so it's very light.
Kung mahilig kayo sa mga sweet, sour, yung mga sweet na may asim, sarap na to. Okay, very zesty. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Very, refreshing and yun, yung lemon taste, malalasahan niyo talaga. Or lime taste.
Yung mga pupunta dito sa Redwood branch namin, couples. So, meron din mga barkada and we also have yung mga nagme-meeting. Yung location niya, it's inside a neighborhood. So, yun, very convenient for our customers to pass by. Tapos, magko-coffee sila, dito sila magwo-work. Lalo na yung mga work from home na mga customers namin, they would prefer working here.
So, cold drinks naman tayo ngayon, food explorers. First up, andito ang kanilang berry oat latte. Uso-uso yan ngayon, di ba? Mga oat milk. Okay. Kaya may konting pinkish hue siya, yung color niya. Kasi nga may hint of berry flavor. This one naman is their white chocolate mocha. Wow! Parang dessert na siya, guys. Sobrang sarap. Lasang-lasa yung choco coffee flavor. And, ang ganda ng color, di ba? Buhay na buhay. This is their blueberry yogurt drink. Wow, sarap. I think this is my favorite. Mahilig ako sa mga ganyan. Medyo maasim, sweet, sour, refreshing.
The best time to come here would be at 6 p.m. kasi we have our happy hour. Lahat po ng signature cocktails namin are only at 200 pesos from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Every day po yun.
Wow, super saya. Parang sobrang good mood na ako. All the more after trying out all these drinks, pati yung mga sweets nila, pati yung guiltless sweets nila. So guys, kung sweet tooth kayo, perfect talaga to for you guys.